So we created an YouTube thumbnail by using the template that was available in the Canva. Let's create another thumbnail, a different pixel size from the secret without using that template. For example, for that, what we have to do is to just go to the create new design and just select the custom size here, okay, custom size. As you know, we already know, we have different sizes for YouTube thumbnail, Facebook ads, Insta ads, logo design, and many more. Let's suppose we take a pixel size of 1500 live pixels. Okay, just create the new design. This new screen will pop up. So the page is loaded now. You can play with this empty screen here, empty space. The size we have selected, the space is given according to the size. So first of all, if you want to change the color of this space, just select the required color like this. You can choose any color of your own choices. For example, I am selecting this color. And also, if you want to add text, just go to the text option. You can add headings, you can add text box, just like that. I'm using this heading option right now. I'll just add this heading, daily web insights. Okay, I have selected this. Let me select the text, change the font, like I am selecting this font, and I'm increasing the font size, and I'm adjusting this text on the top of the, like this, on the top of the image. Okay, now once I add this text, you can play further. You can adjust the position from here and do the overlappings and many things like that. Okay, now if you want to draw something, you can just draw this directly by the pencil by selecting the color. Okay, from here. Right now I am not drawing anything. I am just adding the text and adjusting the text. Once the text is adjusted, you can add elements from here. For example, if I want to add the call option, for example, like this, you can just drag and drop here and add the text like this, and make it just I am removing this text for time being. Add text call, just like this. You can add this thing, just decrease this size, adjust according to your needs. This element options has multiple options, like you can add different type of elements of your requirement, like Facebook icon, Insta icon, and things like that. Similarly, also you can draw, also you can add images from here, like I am adding my logo. I have already added the logo. Let's suppose I add this logo like this. Is I am teaching Canva, so I am adding this logo like here. This Canva provides that platform where you can do all the basic things, basic steps you can follow to design any logo, any thumbnail, anything like that. So this is very simple. Just you are given drag and drop options and editing stuff. In the free version, the features are limited, but still you can create stunning designs by using Canva. For today, this is all. And see you in the next video. Stay tuned for the updated videos where we will discuss the designs and formation of the thumbnails in detail. Thank you.